Hi, my name is Tuesday Caps. I'm the manager here at Tractor Supply here in Purcell, Oklahoma. We had our grand reopening today when we had the ribbon cutting. So I have been here for 15 years at the same store. So it was glad to have the ribbon cutting today. So we have all kinds of good things that we had done to the store for the remodel. We added a greenhouse to that and got lots of beautiful flowers and plants and vegetable plants inside. Then we also added the new tool section, and you can come and get all kinds of tools for all your handy needs. And then we added the garden area so you can come and get grass seed, fertilizer, lawnmowers, anything to do with your yard. Then we actually added our new signs throughout the whole store, and you can come and see those. They're all lit up through the store. And then on our clothing, we actually added new signs in the clothing area too. So it's all nice and clean and looks good. And then the feed, you can actually come and get all kinds of feed for your animals. We have horse feed, goat feed, pig feed, any of that for all of your animals. So if you haven't come to Tractor Supply in Purcell, come and see us. We would love to see you. We can sure help you on all of your needs or anything that we have. So come by and see us. I would love to see everybody here.